Hey everyone, Jordan here with 9 to 5 Toys, and today we're going to be checking out this Forza Horizon 5 press kit that Xbox and Microsoft sent over for us to check out. Now some of you have maybe already played Forza Horizon 5. I know that you could get into it a little bit early, but I think the official launch date is today, so let's dive in and take a look at this press kit. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications with the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, so first off, let's get this open and check it out. So first off, there is a little bit of literature here strapped to the front. So we'll get this out and see what all's in here. It says your Forza Horizon 5 itinerary, full game map inside. And it even comes with a little wallet tool. So this is a pretty neat multi-purpose tool. Lots of different things you can do with this. Everything from a bottle opener to tightening some different fasteners. So pretty cool little card on there. Obviously is Forza Horizon 5 themed. And digging in and checking out the map a little bit more, the ultimate road trip experience. Be ready for anything. And so here's a full map of the play area. So cool little addition in here. You can check that out. All right, and moving on, let's see what else we have in here. Next up, one of the most exciting things might be this Forza themed controller. So let's get this out and check it out. All right, and so here with the controller, you can see there are some translucent pieces to it, but the rest of the colorway and everything, really screams the Forza Horizon 5 branding on here. So lots of pinks and some really bright yellows and some nice blues as well. Otherwise, this looks like a pretty standard Xbox controller. Oh, you can also see there's a little Horizon logo here on the back as well. So pretty cool. And then across the front here, it has this kind of splattered paint theme across that translucent yellow. So a really cool controller that obviously matches the rest of the theme of Forza Horizon 5. Let's see what's next. And this says Road Trip Homesick Natural Soy Wax Blend, hand poured in the USA. And this feels like a candle. So let's check it out. Yep, absolutely. So this is a candle. I don't know if you've ever been on a road trip before, a long one, at least a lot of the ones that I've been on don't usually smell this good. People start to get pretty stinky after a little while. This one actually smells pretty good. It's a little soapy. Here on the box it says there are notes of lime, leather, marine. The mid notes are fresh air and cedarwood, and the base notes are amber and jasmine. So yeah, smells pretty good. I'm not really much of a candle guy, so I don't know that I'll use that, but yeah, another cool addition in here. All right, and the last bit in here kind of looks like, one of those special license plates you can put on your car. Obviously Forza Horizon 5 themed. So cool addition. Oh, it's just paper, so it's not really one that you want to actually put in there. So as you can see here, I mean, you could separate these pieces. This back piece is just paper, and then this front is a really thin metal, so you can actually use this as a kind of license plate frame. So another cool addition, if you really want to, display Forza Horizon 5 on your car, you can do that. I really love these little press kits that Microsoft and Xbox have been sending out, and I'm really grateful that they were able to send one to us. If you remember when the new Space Jam movie came out, Space Jam 2, we got another cool little kit that had all the little limited edition controllers and even some limited edition figures as well, which was a really awesome kit to get. So this stuff is just really cool, and thank you Xbox and Microsoft for sending this out. And there's another little piece here in the back that I just saw behind where the license plate was. So let's see what that is. Deluxe mounting fuel. Oh, you can mount this fuel can. This some mounting materials for this fuel can, so you can put it on display up on a wall or something, kind of show it off. So that's a cool little addition on there. Looks like the company this is from is danishfuel.com. Wonder if you can do these custom little kits. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and thank you Microsoft and Xbox for sending this over. We are going to have some other kind of sneak peek looks at some other video games coming up here soon, so make sure you are subscribed and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss those. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.